This is Kemi, 22, fresh Nigerian graduate, full of hope, holder of a paper they call a degree, but somehow it holds no power here. Every day, she prints another copy of her CV, steps out like a soldier in borrowed armor. She steps out like it's a day things will change. She leaves home with hope, a prayer, and a dream. Different offices, same story. We will get back to you. Office after office, Kemi's hopes deplete. Because really, they never do get back. Guess what? They want 5 years experience from someone who just graduated last year. How can she, when every door that could give her experience stays shut? How can she when no one is willing to give her a chance to start? Office after office, rejection after rejection, she prays, she tries, she waits, but somehow she wonders, is it worth it? This constant trying, this endless wait for something to shift, is it worth it? They say hard work pays, but for Nigeria, hard work they pay in ways you can't even imagine. Yes, what's the currency of hard work for a young, fresh graduate in a country where dreams walk barefoot and unemployment wears a suit? Because for Nigeria, even hard work need work experience and maybe connection. See, Kemi is one amongst millions of Nigerians, qualified, willing, and forgotten. But Kemi will try again tomorrow, because even in the silence of her frustration, she dares. Face still whispers, try again. Yes, even tired people still dream. When you have come this far, you don't stop. No, you can't stop. So dear HR, this is Kemi. Still searching, still Nigerian, still believing, still waiting for we will get back to you.